In the darkest corners of space, scientists detected something they still can't fully explain. It wasn't a planet, a star, or even a black hole. It moved in ways that defied logic, sending strange signals across the universe and leaving experts completely stunned. Some believe it could rewrite everything we know about physics, while others think it may be the most mysterious object ever discovered by humanity. But the deeper researchers looked, the stranger it became. Today we will talk about the most mysterious object ever detected. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The impossible shape of Oumuamua. One of the first shocking discoveries about Oumuamua was its bizarre shape. Most asteroids and comets in space are roughly spherical or irregular. Rocks, Oumuamua, however, appeared extremely elongated, almost like a giant cosmic cigar. Early observations suggested it could be around 400 meters long while being incredibly thin. Later studies proposed another possibility. It might actually be a pancake-shaped disk. Either shape was unlike anything astronomers had ever seen before. The object rotated every 7.3 hours and reflected sunlight in dramatic ways, causing its brightness to change by nearly 10 times. Such variations suggested an object with one of the most extreme shapes ever recorded in space. Scientists attempted to recreate how such an object could naturally form, but the results were confusing. Collisions between asteroids usually produce chunk-like fragments, not ultra-thin structures. Some experts argued it might have been stretched by gravitational forces near a massive star. Others proposed it could be made of frozen hydrogen or nitrogen ice. But each explanation created even more questions. If it were made of hydrogen ice, it should have evaporated long before reaching our solar system. 2. The speed that defied expectations. Another reason Oumuamua became so mysterious was its incredible speed. The object entered the solar system traveling at around 196,000 miles per hour, or approximately 315,000 kilometers per hour relative to the Sun. Its trajectory showed it was not gravitationally bound to the Sun, meaning it was simply passing through before disappearing forever into deep space. Scientists traced its path and realized it likely traveled for hundreds of millions, possibly billions, of years between stars before reaching our solar system. Yet what truly confused researchers was the way Oumuamua accelerated. Normally, comets accelerate because the sun heats their icy surfaces, causing gases to erupt outward like tiny thrusters. However, Oumuamua showed acceleration without displaying the usual signs of a comet. Telescopes detected no visible gas cloud, no dust tail, and no clear evidence of outgassing. 3. The alien technology hypothesis. The strangest and most controversial theory surrounding Oumuamua came from Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb. In 2021, Loeb argued that the object might not be natural at all. He proposed that Oumuamua could be a form of extraterrestrial technology, possibly a solar sail created by an advanced alien civilization. A solar sail is a thin structure propelled by light itself. Since Oumuamua accelerated without visible gas emissions, Loeb believed radiation pressure from sunlight could explain its motion if the object were extremely thin and artificial. This theory immediately exploded across the world. Some scientists dismissed it as speculation, while others admitted the evidence was genuinely unusual. Loeb argued that science should investigate all possibilities instead of rejecting extraordinary ideas automatically. He pointed out that humanity had never before seen an interstellar object, meaning assumptions based on known solar system objects might be incorrect. 4. The strange lack of heat. As Oumuamua passed near the Sun, scientists expected it to heat up dramatically. Comets normally release water vapor and dust when exposed to solar radiation. Yet infrared observations failed to detect significant heat signatures. This meant the object either had an unusual surface composition or behaved in ways scientists could not explain. Data from the Spitzer Space Telescope showed surprisingly weak thermal emissions, further increasing the mystery. Researchers proposed that Oumuamua might possess a shiny metallic surface capable of reflecting sunlight efficiently. Others suggested a crust made from cosmic radiation exposure over millions of years in interstellar space. Some theories even described it as a fragment from an alien world destroyed in a massive collision. 5. A visitor from another star system. The realization that Oumuamua originated from another star system completely changed astronomy. Before 2017, scientists believed interstellar visitors might exist, but no confirmed object had ever been detected. Oumuamua proved that material constantly travels between stars, carrying information about distant planetary systems across the galaxy. This discovery opened an entirely new field of research focused on interstellar objects. Scientists attempted to determine where Oumuamua came from, but tracing its exact origin proved nearly impossible. Over millions of years, gravitational interactions with stars altered its path repeatedly. Some studies suggested it may have originated near the star Vega, roughly 25 light-years away, though this remains uncertain. Others believe it could have traveled across vast regions of the Milky Way for unimaginable periods of time. 6. The search for signals and hidden clues. Because of the intense mystery surrounding Oumuamua, several scientific organizations searched for artificial radio signals coming from the object. The Breakthrough Listen Project, one of the largest searches for extraterrestrial intelligence ever conducted, used powerful radio telescopes to scan Oumuamua for unusual transmissions. Scientists searched across multiple frequencies, hoping to detect patterns that could suggest intelligent origin. The results found no confirmed radio signals, but the search itself represented a historic moment. For perhaps the first time, humanity seriously investigated whether an object inside our solar system could be extraterrestrial technology. 7. New discoveries after Oumuamua. In 2019, astronomers detected another interstellar object called 2I/Borisov. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov behaved much more like a normal comet, complete with a visible tail and gas emissions. This comparison made Oumuamua appear even stranger. Borisov matched expectations for icy interstellar comets, while Oumuamua remained unique and unexplained. Since then, scientists worldwide have developed new telescope systems specifically designed to detect future interstellar visitors earlier. The upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory is expected to discover many more objects like Oumuamua in the future. Researchers hope future detections will reveal whether Oumuamua was an extreme anomaly or part of an entirely unknown category of cosmic objects. 8. Why Oumuamua may change humanity forever. The true importance of Oumuamua goes far beyond one mysterious object. Its discovery forced humanity to recognize how little we truly know about the cosmos. For centuries, humans believed the solar system was relatively isolated, but Oumuamua proved that material from distant stars can travel across the galaxy and briefly visit our cosmic neighborhood. It raised enormous questions about planetary formation, interstellar travel, and even the possibility of alien civilizations. If Oumuamua was natural, it represents a completely unknown type of astronomical object that challenges current theories of physics and space science. If it was artificial, the implications would be even more profound. Humanity may have unknowingly witnessed evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth. Either possibility is extraordinary. But if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.